What's up guys, Faisal here. So the iPhone 15 is tipped to bring some big changes in terms of design and features, and we are tracking all the rumors and leaks for the new iPhone. For example, it looks as though Apple will finally embrace USB-C charging, and with the Lightning port we could also see iPhone 15 features in a more rounded design so that it's more comfortable to hold on of Apple's new phones. Upgrades to the cameras and chipset may also be in the works. Rumor features also suggest that Apple's plans to keep a very large divide between iPhone 15 versus 15 Pro. The Pro variants are both expected to feature a powerful new 3M17 bionic chip and a titanium side design, with a Pro Max possibly boasting a new periscope zoom lens. On top of that, the last iPhone that supported a curved edges display was the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Several design leaks for the iPhone 15 suggest that it could restore that phone's curved design, even if leakers say that the display will remain flat. Indeed, dummy units for the likely iPhone 15 model show devices with rounded edges that match the size and shape of current iPhones. In addition, all iPhone 15 models could have thinner curved bezels. Similarly, the camera bump on the back of the iPhone 15 could have a new design. The rumors have yet to tell us how far beyond it being larger and thicker than before. The iPhone 15 Pro may see the most dramatic increase, as early renders show the individual lenses have doubled in size from the previous generation. The 15 Pro Max does not appear to have anywhere near as big an increased plan. Leaked design show its lenses protrude less than the iPhone 15 Pro Max, which would support rumors that the Pro Max could sport a new periscope zoom lens. Bloomberg German claim all iPhone 15 model will get the dynamic island, which has been backed up by alleged real-life photos of the standard iPhone 15. This could see more developers get spurred onto making apps that adapt to the morphing camera curved-out display feature. Further adding to its capabilities, it may well be a new type of dynamic island tool, as Apple rearranges some of the sensors inside the phone. Don't expect to see the ProMotion adaptive refresh rate appear on the standard iPhone 15 models, however. Despite originally launching on the iPhone 13 Pro, Russian claim that the standard models won't be getting the silky smooth LTPO display unit at least 2025. This would be a little disappointing, as many of the best Android phones now have 90 to 120Hz display, and a 120Hz display as standard is something we feel would be a problem the iPhone 15 could fix. But we are not going to hold our breath. Renders reportedly based on photo files for the 15 Plus show off the above changes, with the dynamic island replacing the notch found on the iPhone 14 Plus and the Lightning port getting replaced by USB-C. Some CAD-based renders for the 15 Pro Max show off the phone's dimensions. It has slightly thicker sides but a smaller overall camera module. A separate set of 15 Pro renders shows a bigger camera but smaller bezel and capacitive buttons. Additional live renders seem to confirm the smaller bezel, with the 15 Pro likely to have 1.55mm bezel compared to 2.1mm for the iPhone 14 Pro. Initially, Ming Chi claimed that two iPhone 15 models feature solid-state buttons similar to the home button found in the likes of the iPhone Special Edition. This was lent more weight by another claim by Barclays analysts who have the 15 Pro tip to get solid-state buttons, and analyst Jeff Poe, who added that Apple would use extra tactile engine vibration motors to give feedback for these buttons. The benefit of such a design would be favor moving parts export to external eliminates, potentially making for a more durable iPhone, while still delivering a tactile button feel the haptic. However, both Cool and Pew have since changed their tune and now claim Apple won't be offering solid-state buttons on the iPhone 15 Pro after all. Citing the complexity of the future, instead solid-state buttons may get pushed back to the iPhone 16 Pro in 2024. A more believable rumor claimed that the both 15 Pro model could come with an action button like that of the Apple Watch Ultra. According to reports, the iPhone 15 Pro action button would be customizable and double as a mute button. We have seen some 15 Pro C80 renders that show this action button along with the camera bump for the Pro and Pro Max. The biggest iPhone 15 design rumor so far is that 2023 is the year when Apple finally abandoned the Lightning port on its phone. This is not wholly surprising. Not only has a company adopted the connection for its laptops and tablets, but the European Union has officially mandated that all phones will have to use USB-C by 2024. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Technology in the Future. Until the next video, you will take care of yourself. Bye bye.